Most people train what they can see in the mirror: chest, arms, abs. But what truly supports your body is what's behind you, your glutes and core. Today's workout focuses on the posterior chain, the muscles that run along the back of your body. Strong glutes and a stable core are essential for good posture, efficient movement, and long-term joint health. When these muscles are weak, your lower back often compensates, which can lead to discomfort or pain. Scientific research consistently shows that activating and strengthening the glutes helps reduce stress on the lower back and improves hip and spinal stability. A strong core works with your glutes to keep your body aligned, balanced, and efficient, not just during workouts, but in everyday activities like walking, sitting, and lifting. Today isn't about speed or explosive movement. It's about control, stability, and intentional muscle activation. By slowing things down and focusing on proper engagement, you teach your body to move better and support itself more effectively. After a short warm-up, we begin with glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds, then lower slowly with control. This movement directly targets the glutes and helps restore proper hip extension, something many people lose from prolonged sitting. Perform this exercise for about 40 seconds, focusing on strong glute contraction rather than height. Next, we move into the bird dog hold. Get into a tabletop position on your hands and knees, then extend your opposite arm and leg while keeping your hips and spine stable. Hold briefly before switching sides. This exercise challenges your core's ability to stabilize your spine while your limbs move, a key function for preventing lower back strain. Work for 30 to 40 seconds, maintaining balance and control throughout. After that, we perform slow reverse lunges. Stand tall and step one leg back into a lunge, lowering slowly while keeping your torso upright. Push through the front heel to return to standing. Reverse lunges reduce stress on the knees while placing greater emphasis on the glutes and hips. Move slowly and deliberately for 40 seconds, alternating sides. Then we return to a glute bridge hold. Lift your hips into the bridge position and hold at the top. Keep your ribs down, core engaged, and glutes tight throughout the hold. This isometric position reinforces glute activation and improves pelvic stability. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing steadily. Finally, we finish with a forearm plank. Keep your elbows under your shoulders, your body in a straight line, and your core fully engaged. This strengthens the deep core muscles that protect your spine and support proper posture. Hold for 30 seconds, focusing on calm, steady breathing. Today's session reinforces an important truth. Strong glutes and a stable core create a stronger, healthier body. By prioritizing the posterior chain, you improve posture, reduce unnecessary strain on your lower back, and build strength that carries over into daily life and future workouts. Great work completing day 10. Tomorrow, we'll shift focus to a push day, training your chest and shoulders using bodyweight push variations. We'll explore how changing push angles and leverage through incline and decline movements can help you build upper body strength without heavy weights. Rest well, hydrate, and let your body adapt, because strength starts from the ground up.